Hi, and welcome to this video explaining the basics of HTML. I believe that we can all benefit from learning HTML, and having the knowledge of basic web development can be very beneficial in just about any business career. What exactly is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the basis for all things web. HTML is the essential language for any web developer or web programmer. What does an HTML file contain? An HTML file is a text file with an extension of .html or .htm. It contains a document type declaration. It also contains a head section, which provides information about the page. It contains a body section, which describes the visible content on the page. And it contains elements, which are comprised of tags and content. Both the head and body sections are considered elements. So what are tags and elements? Most HTML elements consist of an opening and closing tag. This is an opening div tag. This is a closing div tag. When listed together, the opening and closing tag, along with content, make up an HTML element. This particular element is a logical division. As you can see in the example, in the blue text, the content is the hello text. What is HTML5? HTML5 is the latest version of HTML. However, HTML5 is still a work in progress as they are continuing to update it. Fortunately, most modern browsers currently support HTML5. Browsers that currently support HTML5 include Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer, and Safari. So why should we use HTML5? HTML5 introduced a lot of semantic elements. Semantic elements are elements with meaning. HTML5 also introduced a cleaner way to write HTML code. And most importantly, HTML5 is a vital part of modern web development. Semantic elements are elements that clearly describe its meaning to both the browser and the developer. The header element is a semantic element. It contains header information about the web page. The navigation element is also a semantic element. Nav stands for navigation. This element contains information about the website navigation. One final example is the footer element, which contains information about the page footer. As you can tell, the names of these elements are descriptive about the content they contain. Non-semantic elements are elements that tell us nothing about its content. One such example of a non-semantic element is the div tag, which is a logical division and can contain numerous different types of content. Another widely used example is the span element, which can also contain various types of content. It is generally used to format sections of content nested within other elements. As mentioned at the beginning, knowing basic web development can be extremely useful for almost any business career, so I hope this has been useful in your quest to learn HTML. Thank you for watching.